having an amazing day. Today I decided to put a whole bunch of decluttering motivation together for you. So if you're stuck home and you're completely bored and you want to get motivated to get organizing and decluttering your home, this is the video for you. Make sure you subscribe to never miss a video, and let's get started. We started decluttering quite a while ago, and I jumped right into the process. I really wanted to downsize the items we had, but not only just to declutter and simplify everything, but also to become more minimal. I like to declutter slowly and one area at a time. So right here, we're going through my boys' toys, and I'm just deciding what we can live without. And here's the pile that we ended up donating. Where we used to live, this front closet stored all of our supplies for doing projects and some of my tools, and I found that I was storing a whole bunch of things that I just didn't need and was probably never going to use. I was left with all these extra bins, and this bag of things is what I decided to let go of. All of these bins are full of baby clothes that my boys had grown out of. I had thrown them into these boxes thinking, who knows, we might have another baby. But then I realized that I didn't need to be storing these clothes because we probably weren't going to have another baby. And I also realized if that did happen, we could always just buy the few items we need instead of storing 4 to 5 large boxes of baby stuff. Baby stuff for me is a sentimental item, so this was quite hard for me to go through these items and declutter them. I was able to give them to a family friend that was pregnant and could use these items, so that made me happy and it made it easier for me to let go. I have a full blog post on decluttering sentimental items, which I will link down below. I ended up saving a few clothing items from when my boys were newborns, and everything else I ended up decluttering to that friend. This is my closet after I have already done a lot of decluttering, but as you can see, there are still things that I need to go through, like these bags, and I can always find a few items each season that I haven't worn. And once I did that initial declutter, then I just picked items that I knew I wasn't wearing to declutter each season. As I watched this a few years after this initial towel declutter, I'm so surprised at how many towels I had. I find it almost shocking now, but here I am just going through everything and picking out the towels that I am no longer needing or that are super worn out. And I found that you can declutter towels to animal shelters if you can't donate them to your local donation location. This large file cabinet always bothered me in my bedroom. I just couldn't believe we needed that much paper. So as I started to go through this file cabinet, I realized we were storing so many out-of-date items that we just didn't need, things that could be found online. So I decluttered and recycled this paper, and then I was actually able to get rid of this file cabinet. This was a really fun challenge that I did. I have a full video on this challenge. It's gathering 60 items in 60 minutes to see if you can quickly declutter, going through your house and finding what you can. This is a large bin of photos and yearbooks that I decided to go through and see what I could get rid of. And then I ended up going to my parents' house where I had a bunch of things stored from when I was a child and a teenager, and I had left everything there when I moved to New Zealand. So I thought it was about time to go through, see what I could declutter and downsize. It was funny and surprising to see how many random items were left here at my parents' house and how much I used to keep as a child and a teenager. After going through all of this stuff, I ended up decluttering most of it and only saving a few mementos for my sentimental item box. All of these items were donated and decluttered. Here I'm just going through my makeup and some of my bathroom supplies and trying to downsize all the items that I no longer need. I decided to declutter these items because they were either almost empty or I just know I'm never going to use them. What you see here are all my bathroom supplies and all my makeup, and that's pretty minimal compared to what I used to have. These are all of our backup supplies and items that I had probably purchased and then realized I didn't actually like. So I'm just going through these products and seeing what we can use up and then what we will never use and should get rid of. One tip I learned since becoming more minimal is I no longer buy things for the future, and I normally don't stockpile items. I have the few things that I know I like, and I stick to those items that I know I will use. Now I'm just narrowing down our towels. I ended up keeping 2 towels per person in our family, plus some beach towels. So this is what it looked like before, and it's much more organized now and looks so much better. I'm folding these towels with the KonMari folding style, and I really like the way that keeps the towels organized and they're easier to grab out and not have the whole pile fall over. Helped you to get motivated to declutter and organize your home if you're stuck home with nothing else to do. And if you're new here, my name is Shannon. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to never miss a video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.